Are you tired of blowing money on ads that just don't work? Spent hours writing blog posts, making videos, or learning SEO and still no sales? Imagine tapping into a traffic system where you're actually allowed to promote to real buyers without spending a dime on ads, building websites, or stressing over algorithms. Stay with me because what I'm about to show you may change how you do affiliate marketing forever, and it costs less than 10 bucks. Look, we've all been there. You buy shiny courses, try free traffic methods, pay for solo ads, and even build entire funnels, and still no leads, no sales, no growth. The truth is, traffic is king, but not just any traffic. You need buyer traffic, the kind of audience that is already warmed up, already trusts the environment they're in, and is ready to spend. That's where this new method comes in. This strategy is Social Save List, a new release from marketing veteran Jeremy Kennedy. He's been in the game for over 15 years, dominating leaderboards on platforms like Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And this product, it's based on his own private buyer communities, something most people would never let outsiders promote in. But with Social Save List, he's actually opening the doors. So what are you getting for $9.95? Access to real buyer traffic communities, permission to post your affiliate links directly, no SEO, no ads, no tech, no video required, immediate posting access, start promoting right away. You'll be joining exclusive Facebook and other private groups that Jeremy personally runs, groups filled with people who have already bought products before. These are not cold leads. These are real, proven buyers, and you're allowed to promote inside these groups. Normally, that would get you banned anywhere else. Jeremy's built these groups specifically for affiliate promotions. Just follow the simple rules. No spammy behavior, limit one post per day per offer, and you're good to go. Think about this logically. You could spend $100 on Facebook ads to maybe get 50 clicks. Or you spend just $9.95 today and get lifetime access to warm buyers that already trust the group and are looking for offers. This is 100x more powerful than cold outreach, solo ads, or even SEO because it gives you something those methods can't: immediate trust and engagement. Now, Jeremy also offers a few optional upgrades. You don't need them to get started, but here's what they include. A power pack that unlocks access to 600 plus more buyer groups, a traffic rotator setup where Jeremy actually shares how he gets tons of daily clicks, a Discord-based coaching group for ongoing support, and his flagship done-for-you system for serious marketers ready to scale. If you're in this for long-term success, some of these are worth looking at. Here's the deal though, access is limited. Once these groups get too full, Jeremy could easily close the doors to new members. And honestly, he probably should, because the value here is way more than the $9.95 asking price. This isn't just another traffic tool. This is access to communities of actual buyers, and you don't want to miss your shot. Let me walk you through exactly what to do when you get access. Purchase Social Save List for just $9.95. Open the members area, click on the links to join the private communities, read the simple posting rules, start sharing your affiliate offers immediately. Watch your traffic grow from real people ready to buy. That's it. No domain, no setup, no content creation, just traffic that converts. I've seen a lot of traffic methods over the years. Most of them are either too slow or too expensive. But this one, it's fast, it's simple, and most importantly, it works. So if you're someone who's serious about making your first sale or your next 100 sales, click the link below right now and grab Social Save List before Jeremy decides to pull the plug or raise the price. Don't wait. Buyer attention is limited. These groups are active now. The sooner you get in, the sooner you start earning.
Hey, Jeremy Kennedy here, and it's another beautiful morning here in my camper, my RV. Just got married and absolutely loving this RV lifestyle where you could travel around. We travel around. We go anywhere we want to. If we don't like a spot, we just pick it up and move, and what we've been living is what some people do for vacation, but we're actually living this life. And what allows us to do this is having an online business. And what is the lifeblood of an online business? Well, it's taken me a long time, 13 years I've been doing this, and it's really taken me that long to finally figure out it's really all about the eyeballs. It's about the traffic. It's about the ability to get your offers and affiliate links. I make, yes, I release products like you're looking at here. I release products, but I tell you what, I make a lot more money with affiliate marketing, selling products that I didn't even create to other people just by sharing my affiliate link to people, getting my affiliate link in front of people, in front of eyeballs. And so I found that's the best way to start and continue to make money online, being able to get in front of people. And so I decided, over the past 13 years, I've just built up this huge network of eyeballs, right? I've got traffic coming out of my ears from everywhere, and I've got communities and groups and all kinds of places where I put my own offers and affiliate offers, and I get traffic from these things. And so I decided, you know what, I can help people the most, simply giving you ways to get your affiliate links, your offers in front of people. And the best way that I can do that is by literally giving you access to the same places that I do it. Okay, the groups and the networks and the communities that I post my links in, I'm going to give you access to those. So the first one that I'm going to give you access to is a Facebook group. I've been building it for a couple years now. It is specifically designed for everybody in there knows this. It is everybody in there is allowed to share your offers, your affiliate links. It's basically a spam group, right? We share our stuff with each other. And that is the whole purpose of the group. And everybody inside of this group, there's hundreds of members in there. Everybody inside of that group has bought something from me. They are all buyers. Everybody in this group are buyers. Hundreds of people that are online marketers from all walks of life. They're business owners, entrepreneurs, and they're all inside, and we all understand that the goal of this group is to share our links and stuff and offers with each other. And I have actually bought stuff from people that have promoted their things inside of this group. It's really an awesome thing. And now I'm going to give you access to that group. When you get inside here today, what I'm calling social safe list and more. But first, let me explain what a safe list is. You may have heard that term, a safe list. Back in the old days, it was an email list. And everybody on that list was able to promote to that list. That was a great thing. It worked for a long time. And it kind of started getting outdated, I guess you might call it. People don't really use those anymore. And I got the idea that, a social safe list. People use social media these days. So this is a Facebook group, and people are on Facebook. When you post, people see it. And people are posting every day inside this thing. They're all getting views on their posts. And I'm going to give you more ways to get even more exposure to those posts. But that's what a safe list is, and now we're doing social safe lists. So that's the first thing that you're going to get access to. And what that equates to is immediate, instant eyeballs on your stuff, on your offers, your affiliate links, whatever it is. We have a few rules, but basically it's no holds barred. You go in there and post your stuff. And you get to post once a day, every single day, for the rest of your time as a member there if you want to. Instant traffic, instant eyeballs right to your stuff. That's hard to beat. By the way, everybody that buys this offer is also going to be in that group. So that's even more people than are currently there's already hundreds of members in there. So my last launch got like over 3,000 sales. If this one does similar, that's going to be thousands of people more inside of that group that you can get your stuff in front of. And it's ever growing. I'm constantly adding people. Like every single day, I've been adding more and more and more people to this group. So you want access to it. And you're only going to pay a one-time price. Very, very low. Number two, I'm not just giving you access to that group. I have other groups, other communities that I'm going to be giving you access to on other platforms. One of those is Telegram. All right. If you know anything about Telegram, it's like an instant messenger. but they also have communities. And again, this community I'm building in here, everybody inside understands that the whole purpose of that community is for us to share our stuff with each other. And then I've got some on some other platforms as well that I'm building as well. So I'm building all of these social safe lists that are safe places for you to post your offers, your links, your affiliate links, anything, high ticket, low ticket, recurring offers, whatever, it's there for you to post in and get in front of actual buyers. This isn't just these random groups of people that was built from who knows what. Everybody in every one of these communities had to buy something from me at some point to get into these groups. So you're getting in front of actual real buyers, people that pull out their credit card, have proven to buy something. I might throw some more other bonuses just for fun. I might throw some training in here. I haven't really decided yet. I'm recording this video before I do that, okay? But I'm probably going to sweeten the deal even more. And I'm going to tell you, for the price, for the one-time price, that's one little bitty sale, I'm going to put it less than it would cost you to go to McDonald's today and buy, a hamburger and fries. It's going to be super cheap. Super cheap. So you can get access to people right now. That's the biggest struggle we have in online entrepreneurship. People trying to get online is the hardest thing for people to do, is to get traffic and get your, anybody can go out and get affiliate links. Anybody can go out and create an offer. But the hardest thing is getting people to those offers, to your links. And now you're going to get instant access. Soon as you buy this, you get on the thank you page. You can join the group and you can post immediately. Groups, communities, plural, right? And you can post your links in there immediately. So you can literally get instant traffic just as soon as you get inside of this thing. Not days later. You're not spending hours and weeks trying to build something, but just go in there, post your little, hey, check out my offer. Here's the link. Bam. Instant eyeballs. We all know how to use Facebook. We all know how to use things like Telegram and some of the other communities that I have for you as well. I'm not going to take up any more of your time. I'm Jeremy Kennedy. I love you. Click the link below. We'll see you on the inside.